just got my flea medication for my cat out there. I love the box. Look how shiny it is. Now this is gonna last you about 6 months. It has 6 of them, all right? So make sure you put it somewhere where they're not gonna lick themselves, right behind their back, right before the tail too, all right? So it's gonna have to be preventing fleas, ticks, lice, and pretty much larvae and all sorts of things. So let's go ahead and set this up on our cat. One of our cats that lives in the street. He's a stray cat, but we feed him, and I know he brings in fleas, so he's gonna bring fleas to my dog. So I gotta set this up for my cat. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, the perfect time is to put it right here in the neck. Put the medicine here so he can prevent fleas. So we're gonna do that right now in a bit. Get him some treats. And this guy lives in the street most of the time, so we're trying to keep him indoors, but it's hard, especially him. So, all right, let me introduce you to Cheeto. We're gonna actually put the medicine on Cheeto. So, I'm gonna crack it open, and it's ready to go. And I'm gonna tease him here, go like this, and then just line it up all the way to the back, like that. And that's it. He could run off, but we got the medicine on him. And that's because he's pretty much like a stray cat. He lives out here in the street. And he brings in, we feed him, but he brings in so many fleas. So this is perfect for him. We just throw it on him.